Come test drive this 2013 Chevrolet Equinox. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.